So, your lawyer is slinging around the term ADR, and you're wondering what that means. ADR is an acronym. It stands for Alternative Dispute Resolution, and it refers to an alternative to a courtroom proceeding. It's a different way of resolving a dispute than doing a traditional lawsuit. The two typical alternative avenues that ADR includes are arbitration and mediation, which are two very different things. An arbitration is basically a private lawsuit. It's where you hire the judge, the arbitrator. You can also hire more than one. Sometimes you do a panel of 3, for instance, and you pay them to hear your case, as opposed to going into a courtroom and having a state or a federal judge hear your case. That actually gets you a binding decision. At the end of the arbitration, the arbitrator issues a ruling, and that's basically it. One of the things about arbitration is that there are very limited rights to appeal. It's very difficult to go into a court and get a court to undo an arbitration decision. It's not impossible, but it's knocking on the door. So once you get an arbitration decision, the matter's over. A mediation is a very different beast. It's basically an organized negotiation where you try to settle the case through an agreement, and you have some neutral third party get involved and try to help the parties reach an agreement. But nobody actually makes a decision. Nobody can make you end a case through mediation. It has to be your mutual decision. Both you and the other side have to agree to a deal in order to resolve the case, and if both sides don't agree, then the mediation comes to an end at some point, and you return to either a courtroom or to an arbitration or some other manner of resolving the case. So arbitration is a private form of a lawsuit where you actually get a decision, and a mediation is an organized negotiation where you can try to agree to a deal, but nobody is going to resolve the case or make you end it.